Good afternoon, this is Logan Rout bringing you the afternoon announcements for Wednesday, April 10th, 2013. The BC Mills Wildcats baseball team will be in at Round County tonight. The bus will leave BCMS at 4 p.m. The game will begin at 5 p.m. The Wildcats went down in a defeat last night at Powell County, but they gave a good effort. Good luck, Wildcats. There is an away softball game tonight against Fleming County. Varsity plays at 5:30 and JV's at 7. Good luck, Lady Cats. There is a boys and girls soccer game on Thursday in Fleming County. Good luck, Lady Cats and Wildcats. There is a boys only game on Saturday at Boyd County. There will be performing arts practice Wednesday and Friday after school until 4:45 p.m. Although performing arts students should not report for practice until after 5th bell. There will be 7th and 8th grade full band rehearsal from 3:45 to 6:45. There will be a SGA meeting on Friday, April 19th at 2:30 to discuss elections. KYA will meet today from 1st bell until 4:30. SGA elections will be held on May 1st in the cafeteria. Now let's go to birthdays, and they were today. And those birthdays are Cameron Vincent today and Destiny Sexton today. Thank you for tuning in to the afternoon announcements. Oh, and the birthday people should go to the front office to get their birthday bag. Thank you and have a good evening.